Hello everybody, this is Dr. Geeta Matai and this is my Health Vibes channel. Today we are going to talk about hair loss. This is a problem which everybody thinks is due to the 20th century lifestyle and that their parents and grandparents did not have hair loss. But if you see the olden days paintings, you will find that all the men have a turban and most of the women have a piece of cloth on their head. They don't know the exact reason for this, but the idea is that it is because they also had hair loss. But now people are losing their hair at a younger age. If you have hair loss, remember that losing 150 hair a day is normal. And if you feel you're losing more hair than this, please check the hair that falls out to see if it is coming out by the follicles or it is breaking and coming off. If you really have hair fall, then slowly your scalp will be visible. There are two kinds of baldness for this. In male pattern baldness, there is a bald patch on the center of the head and the two sides lose hair. This mostly women do not get baldness like this and they lose hair all over their head. The whole growth becomes scanty and the scalp can sometimes be clearly seen. Hair loss may be due to deficiencies of vitamins, minerals like iron and zinc. It may be due to diseases like hypothyroidism or diabetes. If you feel you are losing more than 150 hair a day and you are beginning to look bald, please go and check all this to find out if there is a correctable reason for your baldness. The other thing is people tend to use very harsh chemicals on their hair. Any shampoo that you use should be paraben free and sulfate free, and so also the conditioner. Also, shampoos should not be applied directly to the head, but a 1 rupee coin size of shampoo should be taken and placed in a small vessel. Then water should be added so that it is diluted. The hair should be taken back and put over the head, and the shampoo should be placed on the head and not directly on the scalp. Neither should it be scrubbed in. If you must dry your hair after washing it, do not set the hair dryer on high. Place a small cloth, a muslin cloth over your head and place the hair dryer over that so that the direct heat does not damage your hair. If in spite of all this, you can use a chemical called minoxidil to make the hair grow. The minoxidil has to be applied to the scalp as a few drops and left on for a minimum of 4 hours. You cannot apply it using your fingers because then hair will grow on the fingers as well. The only problem with the hair that grows with minoxidil is that it is very fine and fuzzy and looks like a cat's hair. But if it is left and used for some time, after 4 to 5 months, nice natural looking hair will grow. If you stop using minoxidil, then the hair will fall off again. Also, minoxidil is a chemical called finasteride and tablets of this can also be taken. But again, if you stop the tablets, the hair will fall off. All these problems have made people opt for hair transplants. This can be done one hair at a time or it can be done as strips. It is a time-consuming process and takes 2 to 8 hours. Hair that has been transplanted on the head within 4 to 6 months looks like the normal hair and can be treated just like you treat your normal hair. Remember to look after the hair that you have and not subject it to harsh treatment and chemicals. This is Dr. Geeta Matai. This is my Health Vibes channel. If you liked what you heard, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. The same content is available in Tamil. Thank you.